Ever felt the raw power of a single clean shot? Today, I'm revealing the top 7 best break barrel air rifles 2026 that combine accuracy, power, and value. Welcome back to the channel. Real comparisons, honest picks. Check the links in the description to choose the right rifle with confidence. The number 7 product on our list is Crosman Air Rifle. Most new shooters quit early because their first air rifle feels unpredictable and hard to control, and that frustration kills confidence fast. But this rifle changes that experience from the first session. Power feels adjustable and calm, letting you build skill instead of fighting recoil or noise, which brings real relief and a sense of safety. Accuracy stays consistent for backyard practice, making it feel smarter than heavier and harsher options people often choose from this category. The handling encourages patience and discipline, helping shooters learn fundamentals that carry over to more advanced air rifles later on. Compared to higher-powered models on this list, it trades raw punch for control and peace of mind, and that balance matters. The pros are smooth shooting, simple sights, durable build, and beginner-friendly performance, while the cons are slower follow-up shots and limited power for hunting. We only suggest air rifles that prove their value through real use, tested for comfort and confidence. This is a smart choice for plinking and skill building, while experienced hunters may want more power. At number 6 is Gamo Swarm Magnum Air Rifle. Most shooters underestimate how much raw power can change confidence until they feel a Magnum air rifle settle into their shoulder and everything suddenly clicks. The biggest struggle before buying is choosing between speed and control, and this rifle delivers both in a way that feels surprisingly balanced. The rapid-fire magazine system keeps momentum flowing, solving the constant reload frustration that breaks focus during practice or pest control. Velocity feels explosive yet manageable, creating relief instead of intimidation, especially when accuracy stays tight shot after shot. Compared to lighter break barrels on this list, it clearly favors power-driven performance while still feeling composed in experienced hands. The pros are serious speed, fast follow-up shots, strong build quality, and consistent accuracy, while the cons are noticeable weight and recoil for beginners. We only recommend gear that proves itself through real shooting time, tested for comfort and confidence in demanding conditions. This is a smart choice for experienced shooters who want authority and efficiency, while casual plinkers or younger users may prefer a softer shooting option for long sessions. At number 5 is Umarex NXG Air Rifle. Most first-time shooters lose confidence fast when an air rifle feels heavy, unsafe, or hard to control, and that early frustration pushes many people away from the sport, but this rifle changes that story in a calm, reassuring way. Designed with smaller frames in mind, handling feels natural and balanced, creating instant relief and a sense of safety that beginners truly need. The flexible ammo option removes confusion and adds freedom during practice, while the pumping action builds skill instead of rushing power. Accuracy feels predictable, helping new shooters trust every shot and enjoy steady progress rather than fear mistakes. Compared to high-powered break barrels on this list, it focuses more on control and learning than brute force, which is a smart trade-off. The pros are lightweight handling, easy loading, adjustable sights, and beginner-friendly control, while the cons are limited power for hunting and slower shooting pace. We only stand behind air rifles that earn trust through real use, refined for comfort and confidence. This is a smart choice for youth training and backyard practice, while experienced shooters chasing raw power should look elsewhere. At number 4 is Gamo Swarm Fusion Air Rifle. Most shooters never expect a break barrel to feel this smooth and controlled until they experience rapid follow-up shots without losing focus. And that moment changes expectations instantly. Before buying, many struggle with loud reports, slow reloads, and shaky accuracy. But this rifle answers those problems with calm confidence and smart engineering. Power feels strong yet refined, delivering clean shots while keeping noise impressively low, which brings real relief during backyard practice or field use. The magazine system keeps momentum flowing, solving the constant break and reload frustration seen in other rifles on this list, and that alone adds peace of mind. Handling feels balanced and composed, with recoil control that protects optics and builds trust over time. The pros are fast shooting, quiet performance, solid accuracy, and thoughtful recoil management, while the cons are added weight and a learning curve for new users. We only recommend air rifles that prove themselves beyond specs, tested for real-world comfort and control. This is a smart choice for shooters who want power without chaos, while casual plinkers may prefer something lighter and simpler. The third one on our list is Barra Sportsman Air Rifle. Most shooters quit backyard practice because their air rifle feels weak, noisy, or unreliable, and that frustration kills the fun fast. But this rifle brings confidence back from the first shot. Power feels controlled and consistent, solving the common fear of missed targets and unpredictable shots, while accuracy builds real peace of mind. The shooting experience stays smooth and approachable, making long practice sessions feel relaxed instead of tiring, which sets it apart from harsher options on this list. Versatility adds relief too, letting users switch ammo styles without stress and enjoy steady results at distance. Compared to lighter break barrels, it trades extreme speed for stability and control, a smart balance for skill building. The pros are reliable accuracy, easy handling, solid construction, and flexible shooting options, while the cons are slower follow-up shots and less raw power than Magnum models. We only stand behind air rifles that earn trust through real use, tested for everyday comfort and consistency. This is a smart choice for plinking and training, while hunters seeking high-impact power may want a more aggressive setup. On number 2 is Umarex Ruger Targis Hunter Air Rifle. Most shooters never realize how much confidence they lose when an air rifle feels loud, unstable, or uncomfortable until they step into the woods and everything goes wrong. And that is where this rifle quietly earns respect. From the first shoulder mount, control feels natural and secure, bringing relief in wet, cold, or long sessions where lesser rifles slip and fatigue builds. Noise stays impressively low, creating peace of mind when stealth matters and focus needs to stay sharp. Accuracy feels calm and repeatable, helped by vibration control that keeps optics steady, while others on this list struggle to hold zero. Power delivery is smooth and deliberate, solving the fear of harsh recoil that often scares new buyers away. The pros are solid build quality, comfortable handling, quiet shooting, and dependable consistency, while the cons are added length and weight for smaller shooters. We stand behind gear that proves itself outdoors, refined through real field time and tuned for practical comfort. This is a smart choice for hunters and serious plinkers who value control and confidence, while casual backyard shooters may prefer something lighter and simpler. Now moving to the last one is Daisy Air Rifle. Most shooters forget how powerful simplicity can feel, until a classic air rifle puts calm back into every shot. And that feeling hits fast here. Many buyers worry about complicated systems and inconsistent accuracy, but this rifle brings relief through straightforward handling and predictable performance. The shooting experience feels smooth and controlled, making backyard practice relaxing instead of stressful, and that builds real peace of mind. Accuracy stays honest at practical distances, helped by simple sights that teach fundamentals better than flashy optics found on other rifles in this list. Compared to high-powered break barrels chasing speed, this one focuses on reliability and safe skill building, which is a smart trade-off. The pros are easy operation, solid construction, high-capacity fun, and confidence for new shooters, while the cons are limited power and basic range compared to Magnum models. We only recommend gear that proves its value through real use, tested for everyday comfort and consistency. This is a smart choice for plinking, training, and family-friendly shooting, while hunters needing serious impact should look toward more aggressive options. Among all the winner is the Barra Sportsman Air Rifle randomly stands out for its solid power, dependable accuracy, comfortable handling, and great all-around performance, making it a reliable choice for backyard shooting and everyday target practice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best break barrel air rifles 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.